Hi guys, in this video I'm gonna show you what are integers and mathematics. So we will start from the whole numbers. What if I add two whole numbers? So it will result in a whole number. For example, 2 plus 3 equals to 5. So 2 and 3 are whole numbers and 5 is also a whole number. But 2 plus 6. So it is 8. Here 2 and 6 are whole numbers and 8 is also a whole number. But what if I subtract 3 from 2 and 6 from 2? Just like 2 minus 3. So it is negative 1. Here 2 and 3 are whole numbers and negative 1 is not a whole number. 2 minus 6. 2 and 6 are whole numbers, but if I subtract 6 from 2, we get negative 4. But negative 4 is not a whole number. So to address this mathematical problems, the concept of integers was introduced. Now we are going to deep dive into the concept of integers. So the integer is actually the set of positive numbers, 0 and negative numbers. Make sure there is no fraction or decimals. Integers are represented by capital Z, where the positive integers are represented by capital Z with a positive sign. And it contains all these numbers which are greater than 0. And positive numbers are expressed as numbers with positive sign, or it can simply be written as numbers without positive sign, just like 1, 2, 3, etc. The negative numbers are represented by Z with a negative sign, and these numbers can be expressed as the number with a negative sign before them, just like negative 1, negative 2, negative 3, and so on. And the third part is 0. 0 is neither a positive number or negative number. So these are the three types of integers. The first one is positive integers, second one is negative integers, and the third one is 0. It is neither positive or negative. The set of integers is represented by capital Z, and all these numbers are included in it. The negative number, 0, and the positive number. Or simply it can be written as in this form here. This set starts from 0 and contains the positive and negative numbers simultaneously. Dear viewer, this was the video about the integers and mathematics. If you have liked the video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos related to math. Thank you for watching.